Hi guys, you see that? That is homemade barbecue sauce inspired by Stubbs barbecue. And so what I did was I took my blender, and I'm documenting this so that it'll be up on my channel and that everybody can follow along. But you get a blender, high-speed blender, and then you put in the following ingredients. Okay, so 1 can of tomato paste and 1 can of water, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1 or 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 or 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 10 dates that are pitted, 1 capful of apple cider vinegar, and 2 capfuls of white distilled vinegar. Then you blend it on high till you get a nice thick consistency. I'll show you what that looks like. You can thin this out if you need to, or if you want to. And then I made some tempeh here and put it all over the top of that, and I cooked it on the stove. Doesn't it look delicious? It tell you it really is, and it's sweet enough that, you know, I wanted to make this so that there's no salt, no sugar. So give this recipe a try, and I promise you're going to love it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.